Cracking word problems with inequalities. Hello learners! Welcome to another fascinating episode in our series on GMAT and GRE math concepts. Today, we'll tackle word problems with inequalities. Inequalities are such an essential part of our day-to-day life, and through word problems, we get to see their real-world applications. By the end of this video, you'll be able to translate English sentences into mathematical inequalities with ease. Before we dive into word problems, let's recap the basics. Inequalities tell us about the relative size of two values. Symbols like less than, greater than, is less than or equal to, and is greater than or equal to are commonly used. Less than means less than. Greater than means greater than. Is less than or equal to means less than or equal to. Is greater than or equal to means greater than or equal to. Remember, inequalities show a relationship, much like the equal sign. Smiley face does, but instead of equating, they compare. When working with word problems, it's crucial to convert the English language into mathematical symbols accurately. Here are some phrases you might come across. At least translates to is greater than or equal to. No more than translates to is less than or equal to. More than translates to greater than. Less than translates to less than. For example, Sarah has at least 10 apples, can be represented as A is greater than or equal to 10A is greater than or equal to 10A is greater than or equal to 10, where AAA is the number of apples Sarah has. Let's look at a typical word problem. James wants to buy books for his course. If each book costs $20 and he has $150, how many books can he buy without exceeding his budget? First, let's denote the number of books as BBB. The total cost would be 20B 20B 20B. The problem tells us James shouldn't spend more than $150. So, we write the inequality as 20B is less than or equal to 15020B is less than or equal to 15020B is less than or equal to 150. Now, solving for BBB, we get B is less than or equal to 7.5B is less than or equal to 7.5B is less than or equal to 7.5. Since James can't buy half a book, he can buy up to 7 books without exceeding his budget. Now that you've seen an example, try solving this on your own. A bakery sells pies for $15 each. If Maria has $100, what is the maximum number of pies she can purchase? Remember the steps. 1. Define your variable. 2. Translate the English sentence into an inequality. 3. Solve for the variable. And there you have it, learners. Word problems with inequalities might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice and the right approach, you'll be solving them in no time. Remember, translation is key. Convert English sentences into mathematical language and solve step by step. We hope you found this session enlightening. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.